Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. What's going of you? I hope that you are well. And for today, I would like to present about my video. And let me introduce myself. Firstly, my name is Neneng Nuraini. My NVM is 20277479112. I am from Postgraduate of English Education Program, and I would like to present about the topic of presentation. The topic is teaching English as a foreign language, and then this video is fulfilled as the task of academic speaking of scientific purpose. The lecture of this subject is Professor Dr. Mas Hadi Said. Okay, let's start about my sliding of this video. The first slide is talking about the introduction. The introduction is about the topic is teaching English as a foreign language. Teaching English as a foreign language is divided into 4 letters. The first letter is teaching. Teaching, is it familiar for you? And you have known about that? Teaching, it means, according to the encyclopedia, teaching is the process when the teacher transfer the knowledge, the skill, their experience, and their giving about the attitude and giving the example for the student about the good norma and attitude. And then the second is English. English, is it familiar? Yes, of course. I think that very common for you to hear about this word. English is the language that use almost all of the country in the world, and English is used as the international language. In every field, is use English as the language for the communication. And then the third is as a foreign. Foreign is mean that it is it is. And then the last is language. Language is the way, or it is a sign for us to communicate. One of the way for us to communicate and to the second of this slide is table of content. Table of content, there are just 3 explanation about it. The first is TEFL. What is TEFL? The second is about the teaching method and approach. The last is the conclusion. I would like to describe about what is TEFL. TEFL, it means that teaching English for the student, that the student is not use English as their primary language, or it is used for their foreign language. The country that use English as a foreign language, such as Indonesia, Thailand, Brazil, and etc. And then, so English is not as our language, but all of the country use English as the language for the communication. So the teacher is needed to teach about English for the foreign language, because 1.5 billion people practice English and they learn about English. So who can teach about English? All of the non or native speaker can teach English if they have a good qualified to teach about English as a foreign language. So for you, all of the learner of English, it is the chance for you to find about the job, because you have many chance to find the job to teach English. Next, there are some teaching method and approach. the teaching method and approach. The first is about the communicative language teaching. Communicative language teaching is the method that used for the teacher when they want to focus the student. The student can fluently and communicate in a good speaking and to enhance about their ability of speaking skill. The teacher can use this method such as about the role play or discussion to make the student active in their speaking. The second is TBL. TBL is task-based learning. Task-based learning, it means that the teacher give for the student tasks to make them active in the class, such as about the discussion, or the teacher give some question for the student. And then ALM. ALM, it means that audiolingual method. Audiolingual method, this method is emphasized for the behavior of listening, and this is the skill, this is the way for the student to improve about their skill of listening. The method for this listening, the student can listen about the audio or listening for the native speaker, or they can hear about the podcast, or they can watch the film without see about the written. Next, the fourth of method teaching is TPR. TPR is total physical response. Total physical response is this method is emphasized for the vocabulary skill. It is suitable for the young learner, and it can be applied when the teacher teach the young learner to improve about the vocabulary. The teacher GTM, it means grammatical translation method. Grammatical translation method, this is the emphasis for the grammar or writing skill. This method can use for the teacher when they want that the student can translate, or if the teacher wants that the student can write in a good writing using about the grammatical rule. The emphasis is about the skill of writing. The last of this method is P. Presentation, practice, production. Presentation, practice, production. The teacher presents structure, control, practice, pre-production, common lesson framework. The example for this method, the teacher gives the task for the students to make this conclusion. The conclusion for this video, so there are some way for the teacher when they wants to teach appropriate about the method and their emphasis and their target. What is the target of the teacher, and what is the method suitable for them to apply for their learning. So just it about my video. Thanks for your watching.